Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter.effron. I am Annette if you are new here. So if you watched my video on Monday, you'll know that it is a million degrees where I am, and it made it so hard to film. So hard. I have gone back to my old setup of my room divider. I just cannot get myself upstairs because I usually film in the attic. It is just a sauna up there. Today, we're doing orange monochromatic makeup. This universal signal for makeup. I am going to just spray my face with the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. This stuff is amazing. And then I'm going to get my Maybelline Dream BB cream on my face, do my brows, and then I'll meet you back for the rest, okay? Ooh, she is dewy today. All right, so I'm gonna start with my eyes. So for a base, because we're doing a bright color, I'm gonna use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 02. This is a super white concealer, and I don't actually like the formula of this concealer as like an under eye concealer, but it makes for a very good base, especially when you're doing colorful looks. Blend that out with my e.l.f. foundation blurring brush. This is probably the best of the cheap foundation brushes. I have been absolutely loving this, and it just is effortless. So I'm not setting this. I am going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go right into the orange matte in the Huda Electric palette. And I'm gonna start by just stamping that in the outer corner, then kind of blending it into the crease a little bit. Wow, this is dark. Much darker than I was expecting. I'm gonna take a blurring brush and with nothing on it, and just get rid of those edges here. Nice and smooth. I really wanted this one to be wearable because the yellow one was just so like in your face and ridiculous. So now I'm gonna go into this CoverGirl True Naked Dazed palette. So I'm just taking a packing brush, going into the orange shade here, and then I'm gonna put this all here, just on the center to the outer portion. It's kind of looking like a tequila sunrise. I like it. And now I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to go into this ColourPop shade I Like You, and I'm going to just put that on the inner portion, and then I'm going to drag the glitter from that just on top a little bit. Ah! Oh, that is pretty. Okay, I'm gonna match this up with my other side and we'll be right back. Now, for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take an e.l.f. smudger brush, and I'm gonna basically do the same sort of like gradient thing. So I'm gonna start with the dark orange and just go from the end to about midway, and then into the CoverGirl, just in the middle. I gotta say, I have been very impressed with this CoverGirl palette. And then into the ColourPop, and I'm not cleaning my brush off, I'm just kind of letting all the colors melt together as I blend them in. And that's gonna go right up to the inner corner. So now, I'm gonna go into my ColourPop Clockwork palette, and I'm gonna take the highlight shade, again with my smudger brush. I feel like those just have such nice peachy orange undertones that it would be perfect for that. So I'm gonna go into my inner corner here, my tear area. This highlight's just so pretty. And then I'm gonna do the same with a smudger brush and just go under here. I'm gonna take a brown Avon Glimmer Sticks. I always say that plural, it's not plural. I don't know what's wrong with me. And I'm gonna go into just my upper lash line. I feel like brown was the way to go instead of black, so that it's not too like harsh and like Halloween-y. And then for the lower waterline, I'm gonna use the Cella highlighter. I got this in my Yes Oh Yes box. You can check that video out, I'll link it up here. Alright, and then I'm gonna finish the eyes off with the new CoverGirl Flourish Lash Mascara. This is the one with the avocado oil. I've really been liking it. I'm gonna do a full review on it sometime this week or next week though, so keep an eye out for that if you care. This is a brown mascara. Again, I feel like the brown's just less harsh than a black and goes better with a fully orange look. I am in love with this. Oh my god. Eyes! Hello! Okay, so now for my face, I'm just going to go back into the ColourPop Clockwork palette. Again, it's a very orange sort of toned blush and highlight, and that's what we're doing. So I'm using my Firma 102, and I'm gonna just lightly go into that blush. I think after my fail with the yellow, this is a huge improvement. And now I'm just gonna take Face Secrets eyeshadow blender, and I'm using this in the highlight. And I've been liking this for highlight lately because it's a big fluffy brush, but it's also a little bit tapered. So it's got sort of like a fan vibe to it. And I'm so shiny today, it's not like I really need too much highlight, but you know how I do. I think that is sufficient. Now I'm gonna do one more quick once over with the Pixie Milk Spray and just enjoy life. Yeah, like that's beautiful. That is beautiful. I love these eyes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so for lips, I have two of my favoritist Avon lipsticks. So I have the shade Tangerine Tango, and I have the shade Wild Ginger. So Wild Ginger, you can see these, is a little darker than Tangerine Tango. So I'm gonna put this one on the bulk of my lips. I look like I'm turning myself into a fruit. I'm not even upset about it. And Tangerine Tango is just this beautiful, like, light, sparkly orange. And this one is my favorite. I absolutely love this, and it's been discontinued. Of course. And because I can't just live with just that, I'm actually going to take some of the ColourPop I Like You, and I'm going to tap that on as well. Because I just really like the sparkle in this. Hello, orange. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I kind of really love this. Okay, so this is the finished orange monochromatic look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will have pictures on my Instagram, as always, bioscription box. You can find me everywhere else down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It means the world to me. I love my subscribers, each and every one of you. And we will see you in the next one.